In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drill downs in a Looker Studio report. By the end, you'll know how to set up an interactive chart that lets viewers move from a high-level view to more detailed levels with a click, making your reports far more insightful without adding clutter. First, open your browser and go to lookerstudio.google.com. This takes you to the main workspace where you build and manage your reports. Make sure you're in the right account so you can access your reports and data sources. Next, create a blank report. Starting from a blank canvas keeps things simple and makes it easier to focus on the chart we're about to build. You'll see an empty page where we can place our visualizations and configure their settings. At the top of the screen, click Insert. This menu is your toolbox for adding charts, controls, text, and images. We'll use it to place the chart type that works best with drill downs. From the insert options, choose vertical bar chart. Bar charts work especially well for drill downs because they make it easy to compare categories at each level of detail. When you place the chart on the canvas, it will appear with default settings. Adjust the chart on the page so it fits your layout. Drag the edges to resize and position it where you want it to live in the report. A clear, roomy layout helps your viewers understand the story your chart is telling and gives space for labels to render cleanly. Click the chart to open its properties panel on the right. This is where you control what the chart displays and how it behaves. You'll see two tabs, usually labeled Data and Style. We'll focus on the Data tab to enable drill downs. Look beneath the Dimension section in the Data tab. This area defines the fields that your chart groups by. The order of dimensions here matters. It creates the path your users will drill through. For example, if you have multiple dimensions available, a logical sequence might be something like region, then country, then city. Keep an eye on the order so it reflects how you want users to explore the data. Finally, enable drill down. Toggle the drill down option in the dimension section. Once it's on, the chart supports moving up and down the levels of your listed dimensions. In view mode, your viewers will see small arrows or controls that let them drill into a bar to reveal more detailed categories and then roll back up to the summary view. That's it. You've set up a bar chart with drill downs in Looker Studio, giving your audience a clean overview with the power to explore deeper only when they need to.